Just greeting to everyone on the Asab Trade channel. With you as always, Asab Trade. Today we will talk about really very simple, aggressive and effective trading strategy. With helping that trading strategy, you can really increase your deposit with that trading strategy. Even your grandma can trade on the binary option and increase your basically balance, and it's really will be fun, but it's really true. Before we start, I wanna ask you subscribe to my Telegram channel, link in the description, and leave like and comment under that video, cause it is really very important to me. Let's get started. And so guys, let's open the forecast where we trade. Usually it's the pocket option, the best platform on the binary option in the world. And so today I will use very cool trading strategy, very simple, very effective, and very easy for your knowledge. And so you can really easy use that trading strategy after watching that video to the end. And so let's begin to trade, and I'm explain everything in detail. And so time frame 2 minutes. And so I'm enter with $100 currency pair euro GF OTS. And so let me explain everything in detail, guys. So I will use very effective trading strategy with helping three indicators. The first indicator is the moving average, cause that indicator really working very well, and in that case indicator have the curve line. This curve line is it's the green curve line. And so the first signal I received from that indicator, if it's really working easy, if that curve line are directed to upper position, that the signal to enter to upper zone. If that curve line are directed to downward position, it the signal to enter to downward position. So it is really easy. Afterwards, I'm watched to the OSMI indicator, and that indicator show me histograms, and that histograms consist from candles, green candles. And so if that green candles lying to upper zone is the signal to enter to upper position. If that green candle lying to down zone, it's the signal to enter to down position. And so, and the third indicator, MACD indicator, this indicator have the two curve line intersect each other and the histogram, and that histogram have the green candle and red candle. If two line intersect each other and are directed to upper position, and if histograms show the green candle, it's signal to enter to upper position. If that two lines intersect each other and are directed to down position, and the histogram shows the red candle, it's signal to enter to upper positions. Whew, we catch the third motion. So guys, we make the first deal, and so we win. And so on my bank account $243. It's really exactly very cool. And so we're just moving on. And so I entered to currency pair euro USDT OTS, and let me explain everything in detail, guys. And so the first, I'm watch for the moving average indicator. That indicator shows us a really clear signal. That indicator shows us the green line that are directed to upper position, and it was the first signal to enter to upper position. And so if you watch to the OSMI indicator, that indicator shows us the green candle line to upper zone, and it is really delightful signal to enter to upper position, and it was the second signal. And if we watch to the MACD indicator, that indicator shows us intersection two lines, and that two lines a little bit are directed to upper position. I see that motion. And so, and histogram lying to upper zone, and the histogram shows us two really good signal to enter to upper position. And so we received the three clear signal to enter to upper position, and so we did it. And we're just waiting for our profit. If you are a beginner, you can work with me absolutely free of charge. Just subscribe to my Telegram channel and write me privately, teach me, and I'll share all useful information what I have, and I'll send you the link in my VIP channel where we trade every day with my team and where we shows really great results. Not forget about that, and hurry up, come join us. And so in our case, you can see that the price motion really on our side, so it is really exactly very cool, and I'm assure you that all will be all right. So you can see that, and we get the second profit, $385 on my bank account, and it's really looking very good. And so I'm entered to upper position with currency pair, CAD, GPI, OTS, and so let me explain everything in detail, guys. And so the first indicator, it's moving average indicator, and that indicator shows us really clear motion and clear signal to enter to upper position, cause that curved line are directed to upper zone. And so if we watch to the OSMI indicator, that histogram shows us the green candles lying to upper zone, and it's really second signal to enter to upper position. But I see like something like reversal, but I think that all must be all right. And so if we watch to the third indicator, MACD indicator, that indicator shows us two lines when intersect each other and are directed to upper position, and the histograms really lying to upper zone, and so it's really cool signal to upper position. But in that case we see a little bit reversal, and so price motion just dumping, and it's really not good for us. But we must just waiting for our profit, guys, and so it's really will be exactly very cool. So but green candles really increasing, but the price a little bit dumping, and so it's really not good. But on the finish I think that all must be all right, and the green candle a little bit increasing for our saying, and so we just waiting for our profit, and it's really must be near. So as you can see, guys, as you can see we get that profit. Whew! On my bank account, $671, guys, and it's really looking very good. So we're moving on, and the trading strategy working just very well. And so I'm entered with 4 deals to upper position, and let me explain everything in detail. And so, guys, if you watch to the first indicator calls the moving average, that indicator shows us really exactly the same curve line that the previous time and in the previous currency pair. And so in this case too, the same situation, that the curve line, green curve line, are directed to upper position and show us a really clear signal to enter to upper zone. And so if you watch to the OSMI indicator, that indicator shows us really two clear signal to enter to upper position, cause we have the green candle line to upper zone, and it's really good motion. And so if we watch to the MACD indicator, this indicator shows us two curve line intersect each other, and that curve line are directed to upper position, and it is really second clear signal to enter to upper zone. And so, and that 3 indicators gave us amazing clear signals. As you can see, the price motion just increasing, and I like it because it is really very good for us. So we get the great result today for today's session, and it's really very good for us. And so we're just waiting for our great profit. 4 deals, guys, 4 deals. One amount for one deal, it's $155, and I made the 4 deals, and so we get the profit. In my bank account, $1,242, guys, and I spend really 10 minutes for my free time, and it is really exactly looking very well. So, guys, in the conclusion, I want to tell you that it was a really good trading session, and as you can saw, trading strategy working very well. It was 4 deals, 10-11 minutes of my free time. I'm increased my deposit from $150 to $1,200. So it's really very crazy for 4 deals and for 10 minutes of my free time. I know that you wanted the same. Just subscribe to my Telegram channel, link in the description, and write to me privately, teach me, and I'll share all useful information what I have, and I'll send you the link in my V.I.P channel where we trade with my team every day and where we have the great results. See you soon, and until the next time, hug you all until it crunches.